in this video I made few different. I am sure this LCD driver backlight module. This is use LCD 24, 22 to 32 inch LCD backlight module. This module is very high voltage or this video is super dangerous. I am not responsible for any attention. This one is you can see there mark high voltage. This can kill people when in come and contact with these wires. Other things. This is a self-regulation module, which means they are connecting two. This is a backlight module. Backlight made of two tubes of neon argon gas. Connect with two tubes. One tube right there, one right there, and one. There are total four tubes of displays. Sometimes one tube is broken. This one is automatically cut off. It is an auto-save feature. That feature is required to run or power both transformer at same time to this module working full. When one transformer is no load station, automatically it cut off full entire circuit. So that's why I am joining these two modules in series. This is the output AC volt. There is no polarity matter. It only left to right, one left side to right side, one wire joint secondary output. There is a secondary transformer first like meaning they are isolated with mains, but I not meant anything which means never touch light there or never touch light there. This point to there, this output and one this output. I am my mind is idea. This is a CFL. This is of compact fluorescent light meaning, and CCFL tube is told cathode fluorescent light tube to full form. I am my mind idea is fluorescent same fluorescent light, but CCFL is also fluorescent. Why did not run this module for this bulb to this bulb? This is a fuse bulb. I am show you the fuse bulb no continuity at all. So it is fully dead bulb. This experiment requires a fuse bulb, not a working bulb, fully fused bulb. And I remove this electrical ballast. No use electrical ballast. Without ballast is bored. Man connect a ballast, which is the other. By the way, one thing. This is very high voltage module. I measure this module output was my multimeter. My multimeter is burned. My multimeter both fuses are bricked. So I open it, change my fuse, multimeter change fuse. So I cannot measure this module both with this multimeter. So it is more than 450 volts. My multimeter is 450 volts maximum range. So it is more high voltage, about 450 volts. I want to measure it, not that this blow. Other alligator clip, I already tried there was not high quality alligator clip there. Working situation, it can take the wires to this boots, it is also short them. And there are four wires. Ground adjust or VCC, which means that wire is bothly common to 12 volt. So there are two wires used for this module. Take high current to run in the red wire. This red wire is double wire used for this high current. This small wire is burn. It is not powerful, so use a double wire to power this module. There is a common ground. There is a common VCC, which is 12 volt. This adjustment. Adjustment is a logic level adjustment, which means zero. If you give adjustment by 0 volt, module is full bright your load. When adjustment by 0 to 5 volt maximum, brightness is slow. So it is a logic level. Logic level means when the input 0, output 1, and input 0, 1, output 0, which means input negative, output high brightness, input positive, which means 5 volt positive, and output brightness is low. And same thing there is I am calling it, this pin is enable pin, which means 5 volt reference enable. When enable pin the maximum 5 volt circuit is activated, and when the 0 volt circuit is cut off. So it is, I made a 9 volt clip for over 9 volt battery. This took it out this battery plug and back and connect these wires. This is a positive wire. I marked this white line is positive. Positive is enable. This is a plus enable, which means positive 5 volt positive is activate circuit and negative 5 volt is automatically cut off. And there's a common. So I just this fix with I fixed it adjust. So this way, this thing will go this way. Now I want to alternate. Keep in mind there is not short circuit right now. No. This wire joined this yellow wire. Yellow is enable connect to 9 volt battery. This time battery is only 5 volt. I will use battery too long period. This battery is not rechargeable, so battery is low. Only 5 volt give through this enable pin. This is a 12 volt charger. I am using normal my all videos. It is a main power supply which I use for most videos. Check it first. Let's see it. There are 12 volt TV Wi-Fi router, 12 volt 2 ampere charger. Let's plug in it and side. My hand is between anything is fall down, so it is working. I turn on the power little bit, circuit is triggered. I don't know what it is. Remove enable. Keep in mind now start anything. See, it's bulb work. So this full line working means my this battery is little bit low. So this problem automatically circuit cut off. Battery are fluctuating volt, so it is made cut off circuit. That's why. And plug out, replug in. It's C working, and this project is AND. But by the way, never touch these two poles and like these poles. So it is a just plug in. I think my battery is low, so that's why bulb are a little bit fluctuating or low. So it is roughly 6 volt, but under load condition this is a drop down. I will show you. I have show it. Plug in that plug this adapter line lot lightweight, so I not take any type of risk to damage anything. This wire is common ground. Keep in mind this wire blue wire ground in my test multimeter, or this wire is connected right there, positive and negative wire right there. 5 volts. Volt are still dropped under low condition. 6 or 5 volt is a less ampere. So opinion is my think there are self-regulation module, meaning this module takes both transformers same time load. I already tell it is activated, meaning this both transformers run at same time to power feed this bulb. This bulb is one bulb is not enough to power load to these two transformers to turn on module like battery. Next time I am take 2 or 4 bulb tubes, combine them 2 in series, connect like there and 2 like there and 2 like there to make a full load these two transformers for working very well there. Although this time is self-regulation mode, it is activate every few seconds, it is cut off, meaning there are no load on these two transformers. But I will connect a series both transformers, so I don't know why this is cut off very quickly. In my think there are no load, that's reason it is cut quickly, and This video is end. I hope with few times I search on or other fuse bulbs to combine two output 4 tubes and try again and come very quickly. And this video is end.